Once the intimation letter recorded by senior auditor, it will send to Panchayat Secretary. Panchayat Secretary, on the other hand, can log in into the application and can approve or reject the letter sent by senior auditor. To take action on the letter, Panchayat Secretary can click on this inbox link. Here we can see the list of letters in the grid format will appear. As we can see, the auditee name is Banskeri and it is sent by Subhash Mathur, who is a senior auditor, along with the audit period and other details. Also, we can see there is a link to take action on the letter. We will click on that. A form will be appear in which the detail which has been added by senior auditor will be displayed here. As we can see that the Banskeri is the office name, the date of the meeting, the participants who were present in the meeting, also the agenda description. So here, as a Panchayat Secretary, we can either approve or reject and give a necessary remarks if we have. So we can either click on approve radio button or reject radio button and click on save and send button. Once we click on save and send button, here the screen will appear where we have to send this task from. So for that, we will select the option whether we are verifying the intimation letter and we are again recording the intimation letter. So we have already verified the intimation letter. So we will click on this link. After clicking on this link, we will assign a to, like to whom we are sending this. So suppose I am sending it back to Subhash, who is the senior auditor. And I would like to add the other participants on the CC. So I will click their name in the CC section. After that, I will add the date in which I have sent the response to the senior auditor. After that, I will click on send button. Once I will click on send button, my response, that is Panchayat Secretary's response, will be sent back to Subhash Mathur, who is the senior auditor.